Is there a best age to start investing on Acorns? It's a question I hear all the time, and based on my own experience and what the fundamentals of investing tell us, the answer is much simpler than you think. Let's break down the legalities and then talk about the real-world strategy. Person standing for those 18 and older, the rule of compounding. The legal reality is that for a standard Acorns Invest or Acorns Later (IRA) account, you need to be 18 years old to open it yourself. Why 18? Because that's the age you can legally enter into a contract. Now, as someone who started my own investment journey later than I wish I had, my advice to anyone who is 18 or older is this: the best age to start is right now. When I first started out, I thought I needed a huge lump sum to be a real investor. That kept me on the sidelines for too long. What I love about Acorns, and what was a huge turning point for me, is that it focuses on micro-investing through things like roundups. The power of time. If you start at 22 by investing just a small, consistent amount, say $25 a month, the time in the market is your most powerful asset. Let's look at the example of compound interest. Starting that early means decades for your earnings to generate their own earnings. This exponential growth is why the 20-year-old who invests $50 a month often ends up with more than the 35-year-old who starts investing $200 a month. Risk tolerance. When you're young, your time horizon, the time until you need the money, is long. This means you can generally afford to take on more risk with an aggressive portfolio, like the ones Acorns automatically recommends for younger people. If the market dips, you have decades to recover. Don't wait until you feel rich or know everything. Starting small, being consistent, and leveraging that long time horizon is the actual secret sauce. Acorns simplifies that entirely. Baby for kids and teens, start with Acorns early. What if you're a parent or guardian looking to start for a younger child? Acorns anticipated this with Acorns Early, which is a custodial account, specifically a UGMA/UTMA, Uniform Gift/Transfer to Minors Act, account. No age limit. You can open an Acorns Early account for a child as soon as they are born. The adult manages it. As the custodian, you open and manage the account. The assets legally belong to the child, but you control the investments until they reach the age of transfer, which is typically 18 or 21 depending on your state. Flexibility. Unlike a 529 college savings plan, funds from an Acorns Early account can be used for any purpose that directly benefits the child when they are grown, not just education. This flexibility is a huge benefit for long-term planning. My personal experience with this is watching friends who started these accounts early. It's not just about the money, it's a powerful tool for teaching financial literacy and establishing the habit of investing before they ever get their first job. In short, if you can legally start investing, you should. For you, that's age 18. For your children, it's age 0, through a custodial account. The earlier you capture that compounding time, the greater your long-term wealth potential. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.